When you're exploring Patagonia, every meal becomes a moment to savor and appreciate the landscape around you. The daily food system promise is simple: eat well without a fridge or breaking the bank. By focusing on lightweight, nutritious ingredients that can last for days, you'll not only save money but also reduce waste. Think of it as a game, each meal a chance to connect with nature while staying true to your budget. Imagine starting your day with a hearty breakfast of dried fruits and nuts, followed by a quick lunch of pasta with olive oil and herbs. For dinner, perhaps a simple stew made from locally sourced vegetables and a bit of meat or cheese. This approach keeps you nourished and in tune with the rhythms of Patagonia, all while minimizing your environmental footprint. By focusing on versatile ingredients like dehydrated meals and trail mix, you can create satisfying and nutritious meals that require minimal preparation. This approach ensures you have a steady supply of food without the need for refrigeration, making it perfect for long hikes or treks through Patagonia's rugged terrain. Plus, by packing lightweight options, you reduce your load and enhance your overall expedition experience. When packing for your Patagonia trip, it's crucial to have a reliable carry kit that can handle the harsh conditions and long distances you'll encounter. Think of your carry kit as the backbone of your expedition. It needs to be lightweight yet robust, capable of storing and preserving your food without refrigeration. Key components include insulated containers to keep your snacks cool, dry bags for keeping your gear dry during transit, and a sturdy backpack with multiple compartments to organize your essentials. By choosing the right tools, you ensure that every moment in Patagonia, whether it's a serene glacier day or a windy hike, is as memorable as possible. When packing for your Patagonia trip, consider a carry kit that includes insulated containers to keep your snacks cool and dry bags to protect your gear during transit. A sturdy backpack with multiple compartments ensures everything stays organized. For example, a well-designed carry kit might feature a hydration bladder to keep water at the perfect temperature, a small cooler for perishables, and a waterproof outer layer to shield against Patagonia's unpredictable weather. By choosing these tools wisely, you can enjoy every moment of your journey, no matter how challenging the conditions. For instance, a carry kit might also include a portable ice pack to maintain cold temperatures for longer periods. This is especially useful if you're planning multi-day hikes where refrigeration isn't available. Additionally, consider adding a vacuum-sealed food container to extend the shelf life of your perishables. It's also wise to have a set of reusable silicone bags for packing snacks and other small items, ensuring they stay fresh and organized. These simple tools can make a big difference in maintaining the quality of your food throughout your trip. As you pack, remember that flexibility is key. Having a variety of storage options will help you adapt to changing conditions and unexpected delays. When I arrive in a new city, my first stop is always the local market. It's where you find the true essence of the place: fresh, affordable, and shelf-stable foods that don't require refrigeration. I look for items like canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and spices. These staples not only last longer, but also offer a taste of the local culture. By choosing these items, I can build my pantry with flavors unique to the area, all while saving money and reducing waste. It's a practical way to integrate into the local way of life without breaking the bank. When I shop in a new city, I also look for local specialty stores and small markets. These places often have unique items that you won't find elsewhere. For instance, I might pick up some locally made jams or artisanal cheeses. Not only do these products add variety to my pantry, but they also support the local economy. Additionally, I check out the local supermarkets for bulk items like rice, beans, and pasta. Buying in bulk can be more cost-effective and reduces packaging waste. By combining these shopping strategies, I ensure a well-rounded and affordable meal plan that reflects the local flavors. When exploring a new city, I also pay attention to the local farmers' markets and ethnic grocery stores. These places often have unique, culturally rich items that you might not find in mainstream supermarkets. For example, I might look for specialty sauces or traditional spices that can add an authentic touch to my meals. Additionally, I try to buy produce directly from farmers at these markets, which not only supports local businesses, but also ensures freshness and quality. This approach helps me build a diverse pantry, with ingredients that reflect the local flavors while keeping costs manageable. When shopping in a new city, I also scan for local ethnic grocery stores and international markets. These often carry unique ingredients that can add depth to your meals. For example, you might find exotic fruits, herbs, or even specialty snacks that are hard to come by elsewhere. Additionally, I keep an eye out for sales and discounts, which can help stretch my budget further. Sometimes, local supermarkets offer deals on bulk spices or dried goods, making it easier to stock up without breaking the bank. When you're on the road and can't rely on a fridge, meal planning becomes crucial. The challenge is to balance nutrition with minimal waste and convenience. Imagine your meals as building blocks. Each one needs to fit seamlessly into your day without adding unnecessary complexity. Think of it like a matrix: rows for breakfast, lunch, dinner, columns for ingredients, cost, and preparation time. By using this meal matrix system, you can ensure every bite is both satisfying and sustainable, no matter the weather or location. When structuring meals on the road, consider using a meal matrix system to balance nutrition, cost, and convenience. For breakfast, think quick and simple, like oatmeal with fruit and nuts or a hard-boiled egg. Lunch could be a versatile sandwich with hummus, veggies, and cheese, or a hearty salad with canned beans and a dressing. Dinner might include a protein like chicken or tofu, paired with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Each meal fits into the matrix based on its nutritional value, cost, and preparation time. This way, you ensure every bite is both satisfying and sustainable, no matter if it's sunny or stormy. When structuring meals on the road, consider using a meal matrix system to balance nutrition, cost, and convenience. For breakfast, think quick and simple, like oatmeal with fruit and nuts or a hard-boiled egg. Lunch could be a versatile sandwich with hummus, veggies, and cheese, or a hearty salad with canned beans and a dressing. Dinner might include a protein like chicken or tofu, paired with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Each meal fits into the matrix based on its nutritional value, cost, and preparation time. This way, you ensure every bite is both satisfying and sustainable, no matter if it's sunny or stormy. To further simplify your meals, consider using dehydrated ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and meats. These can be rehydrated easily with water or a quick soak, making them perfect for on-the-go cooking. For example, dehydrated berries can add a burst of flavor to oatmeal, while dehydrated chicken strips can serve as a protein-packed lunch. By incorporating these elements into your meal matrix, you can create a robust and adaptable food plan that works in any weather condition. To further streamline your meals, consider using a variety of lightweight cooking methods like boiling water for instant oatmeal or reheating dehydrated ingredients with a portable stove. These methods require minimal fuel and can be done quickly, saving you time and energy. For example, a small camping stove or even a simple alcohol gel burner can heat up your food efficiently. Additionally, using multi-purpose tools such as a camping knife that can also serve as a cutting board can help in preparing meals without adding extra bulk to your gear. This approach not only simplifies meal preparation, but also ensures you have versatile options regardless of the weather or location. When you're on the road, it's easy to overbuy snacks and end up with half-eaten bags of chips and stale granola bars. Patagonia suggests a smarter approach, the refill rhythm. Instead of carrying everything at once, bring just enough for a day or two, then refill your supplies as you go. This not only saves money, but also keeps your backpack lighter. Snack planning becomes a game of balance. Choose snacks that are both energizing and easy to store. Think nuts, dried fruits, and energy bars. By refilling regularly, you ensure you always have the right mix of fuel for each leg of your journey. This strategy helps maintain your energy levels without the burden of excess. When planning your snacks, consider the variety of environments you might encounter. For instance, bring lightweight, waterproof options for rainy days and energy-dense items like jerky or peanut butter packets for colder climates. This way, you can adapt to changing conditions without overpacking. Additionally, using a small, reusable container for snacks helps reduce waste and keeps your supplies organized. By thinking ahead and adjusting as needed, you can maintain your energy levels effectively while minimizing the weight in your backpack. When planning your snacks, also consider the specific activities you'll be doing each day. For instance, if you're hiking in the mountains, bring more energy-dense snacks like nuts and dried fruits to keep up with your increased activity. On days spent sightseeing in cities, smaller, lighter snacks might suffice. By matching your snack choices to your daily plans, you can maintain optimal energy levels without overpacking. Additionally, using a small, reusable container for snacks not only helps reduce waste, but also keeps your supplies organized and easily accessible. This way, you can focus on enjoying your journey rather than worrying about your food supply. When you're on the road and can't rely on a fridge, keeping your food fresh becomes a challenge. But with some clever swaps and preparation techniques, you can still enjoy tasty meals without the need for cold storage. For example, dried fruits like apricots or raisins are not only shelf-stable, but also add natural sweetness to your snacks and dishes. Another option is to use honey as a preservative. It has a high sugar content that inhibits bacterial growth, making it perfect for preserving jams or sauces. By embracing these no-fridge swaps, you can maintain the quality of your food and keep your meals feeling fresh and satisfying, even in the most remote locations. When you're on the road and can't rely on a fridge, keeping your food fresh becomes a challenge. But with some clever swaps and preparation techniques, you can still enjoy tasty meals without the need for cold storage. For example, dried fruits like apricots or raisins are not only shelf-stable, but also add natural sweetness to your snacks and dishes. Another option is to use honey as a preservative. It has a high sugar content that inhibits bacterial growth, making it perfect for preserving jams or sauces. By embracing these no-fridge swaps, you can maintain the quality of your food and keep your meals feeling fresh and satisfying, even in the most remote locations. Adding a bit of salt or vinegar to certain dishes can also help preserve freshness by drawing out moisture and inhibiting bacteria. For instance, marinating vegetables or meats in brine before cooking can extend their shelf life. For longer trips, consider using oil-based dressings on salads instead of vinegar or lemon juice. The fats in oils can help preserve the vegetables and prevent them from wilting as quickly. Additionally, you can use dehydrated herbs like oregano or basil to add flavor without needing refrigeration. These herbs retain their taste and aroma much longer than fresh ones. Another tip is to pack nuts and seeds in airtight containers. They are high in healthy fats, but also contain natural preservatives that keep them from going rancid too quickly. By using these no-fridge swaps, you can maintain the freshness and flavor of your meals even when you're far from home. When traveling in Patagonia with no fridge, it's crucial to manage waste efficiently. Follow a simple cleanup workflow. Collect food scraps and use them to start a compost pile. Alternatively, repurpose items like vegetable peels for homemade soap or compost tea. This not only reduces litter, but also enhances the natural beauty of the landscape. When you're traveling in Patagonia with no fridge, managing waste is key. After each meal, gather food scraps and use them to start a compost pile. If you have vegetable peels, consider repurposing them for homemade soap or compost tea. This way, you minimize litter and enhance the natural beauty of the landscape. By following this simple cleanup workflow, your trip becomes not just an adventure but a responsible journey through one of the world's most fragile, yet rewarding landscapes. After each meal, gather food scraps and use them to start a compost pile. If you have vegetable peels, consider repurposing them for homemade soap or compost tea. This not only reduces litter, but also enhances the natural beauty of the landscape. By following this simple cleanup workflow, your trip becomes a responsible journey through Patagonia's fragile, yet rewarding landscapes. Now that we've set the stage for a structured yet awe-inspiring adventure, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of your weekly budget. At 1610, we'll provide you with a detailed cost recap to help you track expenses and ensure sustainability. This framework allows you to adapt seamlessly to local conditions while maintaining your eco-friendly goals. Whether you're planning from home or on the go, this system will give you the flexibility to adjust for different cities and budgets. So, whether you're in the bustling streets of Buenos Aires or the serene landscapes of Patagonia itself, we've got you covered. To make this Patagonia adventure truly yours, we'll show you how to customize the cost framework for any city or budget. Whether you're in a big metropolis like Santiago or a smaller town, our system helps you stay on track while keeping your sustainability goals intact. Just like adjusting your gear for different terrains, tweaking your budget will ensure you have everything you need for an unforgettable journey.